Instant Amla Achaar is a quick and easy recipe that allows you to enjoy the tangy and spicy flavors of Indian pickle using fresh amla, Indian gooseberry. This instant version of Amla Achaar requires minimal ingredients and can be prepared in just a few minutes, making it a convenient and delicious condiment to enhance your meals. To make instant Amla Achaar, we will need fresh amla, oil, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida, salt, and lemon juice. These simple ingredients come together to create a flavorful and zesty pickle that can be enjoyed with various dishes. First, we wash and chop the amla into small pieces, discarding the seeds. Then, we heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, allowing them to crackle and release their aroma. Next, we add the chopped amla to the pan and sauté till copyright them for a couple of minutes until they become slightly tender. To the sauté till copyright add amla, we add red chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida, and salt. We mix the spices well with the amla, ensuring that they're evenly coated. We continue to cook the mixture for a few more minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Once the amla is well cooked and infused with the spices, we remove the pan from heat and let it cool down slightly. Then, we add freshly squeezed lemon juice to the amla mixture, giving it a tangy and refreshing twist. Finally, we transfer the instant Amla Achaar to a clean and sterilized jar, ensuring that it is tightly sealed. The achaar can be stored at room temperature for a few days or refrigerated for longer shelf life. This instant Amla Achaar is a delightful accompaniment to any Indian meal. Its tangy and spicy flavors complement a variety of dishes, including parathas, rice, dal, and curries. It adds a burst of flavor and zing to your palate, making every bite a delightful experience. With its quick preparation time and fantastic